everyone, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Off the Go with Nancy. And got this nice little clapperboard from my other channel, but I'm going to use it for both channels. And today we're going to take one. I am making energy balls a different way. Something I saw that I wanted to try and see. So we got pumpkin seeds, we got prunes. I don't have psyllium husk, but I'm going to use this oatflour and let's see how that works. Alright, so it's a cup of pumpkin seeds. A cup of prunes. But you know, prunes look like this. So I will do it like that. Alright. And then we'll have a cup of oat flour. And to me, if you wanted to, you could add like flaxseed, little flaxseed in there also. That also would be a good binder. Alrighty. We got that in there. We got it plugged up. Line this up. We're going to see how this works. It's chopping it all up. I'll put it on the dough one because that's not what's in there. So let's see here. Let's blend it. Oh yeah, see, it's getting there. That's a whole lot better. I might add a little bit more prunes in there. So that's probably what. Alright. There we go. And we're going to blend. There we go. That's what we needed. Alright. So I'm going to put this back over here so it can be out of the way. Oh, look at that. Here we go. And that's what you're looking for, okay? So let's get, I can do paper towels, I guess, because you're going to need to mix this with your hands. There we go. Well, that came out pretty good. Alrighty, I'll grab a little bit. He said prunes are sticky. Very sticky. So I'm going to take my ring off. That's my mother's / grandmother's ring. in so I can roll these out. Alright, so you make them to the size, like, if you don't need them too big, but you roll them like this, and then 1 or 2 a day. Not only do you have something for energy, but it's with prunes, it's good fiber to sit there. Your pumpkin seeds have so many benefits also. And then I got a parchment sheet on the other side over there. I'll set those there on that. You just let them sit. I'm going to let them sit for about an hour so they congeal. Then I'm going to stick them in the fridge. Alrighty. Like I said, you can make them small. I wouldn't make them too big. Good size, like if you're making meatballs. Alrighty, we're almost done here. If I can get 2. I'll probably 2 or 3 more out of this. Depends on the size you want to do. Alrighty. And maybe, yeah. Alrighty. So I'm going to wash my hands before I take a bite and taste test it for y'all. And there we go. Whew. Definitely some sticky stuff. If you have gloves, I recommend to wear your gloves. I got all underneath my fingernails, along with the chocolate that I was using earlier. Alright, here we go. There they are. Oh, that's good. I would suggest if you want like different something else, and then put some cinnamon in there or nutmeg, or you could do a pumpkin spice one. These are really good. There we go. Now I was just saying 1 a day. The recipe they said no more than 2 or 3 a day. I think 1 would be just fine. And if you don't like pumpkin seeds, add something like almonds or walnuts. Maybe peanuts, you know, something else that you like. No, so thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting the channel. God bless. We love y'all. Stay safe. And we'll see you next time. I'm cooking dairy free. Don't forget with Nancy.